How to use Digital Estate Planning Guide properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Digital estate planning guides are incredibly convenient, but most beginners make mistakes that can cost their heirs time, money, or even legal headaches. The surprising truth is that skipping just a few steps can completely undermine your estate plan. The first mistake is not creating a complete inventory of your assets. List all bank accounts, investments, properties, and digital assets. Missing even a small account can create complications later for your beneficiaries. Another common error is failing to choose the right type of documents. Wills, trusts, and powers of attorney serve different purposes. Picking the wrong combination for your goals could lead to unintended tax implications or distribution problems. Many users overlook the importance of selecting trustworthy executors or trustees. This person manages your estate or trust and ensures your wishes are followed. Choosing someone inexperienced or unreliable can create delays and disputes. A surprising mistake is ignoring legal requirements for your state. Some states require notarization, witnesses, or specific formatting. Even the best digital guide won't make your documents valid if you skip these rules. Finally, beginners forget to review and update their plan regularly. Life changes like marriage, divorce, births, or new assets require updates. Failing to do this can leave your estate plan outdated or ineffective. To use a digital estate planning guide properly, start with a complete asset inventory. Select the right documents, assign competent executors and trustees, follow all legal requirements, and review your plan periodically. Following these steps ensures your estate plan is secure, valid, and fully reflects your wishes.